Line pipe text command. To create text in line, we are going to use Autocad program command called linepipetext. This command can be called through Autocad menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call linepipetext command is LPT. When this command is called, linepipetext tab will be opened. Diameter and length checkbox can be checked or unchecked. We can change the diameter unit to metric or English, using these radio buttons. Format for diameter position can be changed using this pop-up list. Text style can be changed here. Text height and width value can be edited using these edit box. Click Select Line, and select the lines for text to be added.